no evidence was tendered by Senator Gloria Oroba to rebut the charges, and hence the allegations that she made remained unsubstantiated. On the day of the hearing itself, the report says that at paragraph 11 on page 6, that it had granted her an opportunity to be heard, and she refused to take that opportunity to be heard, refusing to continue with the proceedings, and the committee elected to continue to proceed and hear this matter. So all I am saying, Mr. Speaker, when this matter was first brought before the House, I was inclined to some of the thinking that I have heard some of our colleagues saying, that maybe the punishment that has been proposed by the committee was too harsh. But for me, Mr. Speaker, if you have gone through certain things in this House, and you have publicly said this is what you're going through and it is impeding your work as a senator in this House, and then you are granted an opportunity for you to table evidence against these things, because I do not believe that it is impossible for you to demonstrate bias. It is not impossible for you to demonstrate. If honorable, any member here has treated you unfairly, there will be traces, there will be tracks. But for you to make allegations and accusations against people who cannot defend themselves in public, it is very, very unfair for you then to be granted an opportunity to substantiate, then you refuse to substantiate. One of the most unfair things in these particular proceedings, Mr. Speaker, is that the person who was the subject of these allegations that remain unproven and unsubstantiated is a clerk in this House who does not have the same political platform like Sifuna to be able to answer you. For me, everybody in this House knows, if you come after me, we will be with you, Khumundu. I have no problem with that. You are very free to come and attack Sifuna on any day, because I will deal with you perpendicularly, circumferentially, whatever it is. But for people seated at this table, Mr. Speaker, they do not enjoy the same privilege. What is the most hurtful thing is, and I think Clerk Jeremiah Nyegenye has demonstrated some level of restraint and maturity that I personally do not believe I possess. Because I cannot be in a forum with you. You are making allegation after allegation after allegation. You are given opportunity to substantiate, and I have to read all that information and just look at you and keep quiet. It will not happen. Some of us, I think, are built of a bit more volatile material that is easily combustible, Mr. Speaker, and I will not allow you to continue like that. So for those reasons, Mr. Speaker, I believe that Senator Gloria, having made those allegations, she had a responsibility to substantiate those allegations. She